Good morning. This is Dr. T. Arun, gastroenterologist, Aster Union Medical Center, Karama. I am here to give you some tips on Ramadan, how to go about from the gastroenterologist point of view. So there are few things which are very important which you should know during the period of the holy month of Ramadan regarding your fasting and regarding your diet. The first and foremost thing is that you should understand the metabolism of our body, the digestive tract. Our body is adapted to take 3 times meals per day. During the holy month of Ramadan, because of the fasting, it might be little altered. But still, you still have 3 times of meals during Ramadan fasting also, which is during the suhoor time, during the iftar time, and post Maghrib prayer time. The first and foremost which I want to advise is do not skip suhoor. It is a very important part of your meal program. The foods to eat during the suhoor period are, we'll have to have eggs which are high in protein, oats which are high in fiber, dietary products like yogurt and low fat milk or milkshake can be taken. There are a few things you should avoid during the suhoor period. These are highly refined sugars, wheat flour, pastries, croissants, donuts, and highly salted nuts, chips, pickles, soya sauce, which are all laden with lot of salt. And please try to avoid coffee or tea because it again colas, which has a lot of caffeine. And during the period of iftar, there are certain things which you should take in abundant, like you can take potassium rich diet like dates. The ideal thing for iftar during iftar period is to take dates and with fresh juice, laban. You can take raw nuts with not salt, almonds. You can take a lot of vegetables, cucumbers, lettuce, which prevents constipation. The very important thing during the Ramadan fasting is, especially during this hot summer time, is to take a lot of water. You should take at least 2 to 3 liters of water. That will be somewhere around 8 to 12 cups of water per day. Plenty of fruits and vegetables, at least 5 to 8 servings per day is mandatory. There is always a tendency to overeat during the period of Ramadan, which you should curb. You should take anything in moderation. So this is very important. There are a certain few tips for our diabetic patients. Diabetic patients can still have a very safe fasting during Ramadan, but they have to make a plan with their diabetologist regarding their insulin requirements and regarding the drug requirement during the period of Ramadan. Other patients who have kidney disease, heart disease, liver disease, they should consult their appropriate physicians to make a clear plan or whether they are not eligible for fasting. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Ramadan Kareem.